Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this little video I'm going to show you how you can buy BNB, the Binance coin, using Binance. So in order to buy BNB, we first need to go to Binance.com, and if you don't have an account yet, you will have to sign up and create an account. You do have to be 18 in order to create an account, so if you're underage, just try to find an adult who can do this for you, or maybe find a friend who is already registered on Binance. It shouldn't take longer than 10 minutes, by the way, to sign up. It's pretty simple and straightforward. So then when you are here on the homepage of Binance, you will go up there where it says buy crypto, and you have a bunch of different possibilities. So for example, you can choose bank deposit, which is basically that you go to your bank or your online bank and you send money to your Binance account first, but this takes some days, so I normally don't do it. Instead, I use my credit card. With the credit card, you have a I think 1.7% fee, like a transaction fee, to pay for your crypto. But this is normally not a problem for me. Like if you, I don't know, plan to invest like 10,000 euros or more, then maybe you might consider just doing a bank deposit. I have done a bank deposit before, but credit debit card is just a lot easier. So this is what I'm going to focus on in this video. These two things are the easiest to pay for your crypto. And yeah, so let's just click on credit card. And now the page is loading. It normally takes quite a while to load. I don't really know why Binance takes so long to respond, but then anyway, once it's loaded, you will see this little overview here, where it will basically say buy crypto. And then when it is finished loading, oh my god, it takes so long right now. When it is finished loading, you can select your coin right here, and you can select the currency that you want to pay with right here. I am from Germany, so I'm German. I have my bank account in Germany. It's in German, it's in euros. This is why I like having it set to euros. So let's say, for example, you want to pay 200 euros. You want to invest 200 euros, and then you need to select the coin. Now in this video, obviously we wanted to buy Binance coin, so you just need to scroll down here, and there it is, Binance coin. The BNB coin. Yeah, this is what we are going to use, be it whether you just want to really invest in Binance coin, or whether you want to in the end convert it to smart chain and then change it to smaller tokens and coins like SAFEMOON or ElonGate, etc. So if we, for example, right now pay 200 euros, we would get 0.43 BNB. And then we put in our credit card details here, and we can literally just hit buy BNB, and you can just pay with your credit card. Now, I'm not going to do this right now because I'm already invested in BNB, etc. I'm just here to show you how it works. But trust me, I've done this numerous times. It's really safe, really simple. You can just do this. And then after some minutes, you'll find your BNB, your 0.43 BNB. If you put in 200 euros, you'll find it in your wallet on Binance. And this one you can access up here where it says Overview, Wallet. You will just click on Overview. And now it's going to load again, and we'll now be redirected to our Binance wallet. This wallet is for both fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies. And what we want to do, obviously here it will say something after you made a purchase and after you've received the cryptocurrency. And what we want to do now is we will click on withdraw. And we want to make sure that it says crypto here. So here you can select your coin, whichever coin you just purchased. Let's put in BNB for now. And here, this is the BNB address. So what you want to do is you want to go to your Trustwallet on your phone. Trustwallet, I'll put a link in the description if you don't have Trustwallet yet. It's a very popular wallet. And you want to click the coin that you want to withdraw to your wallet. So I'm just going to click on BNB, and then you click receive in the Trustwallet, and you will find the address and the barcode there. And this address you can just send to yourself, you can copy it, and this address you will have to paste in here. And then you can select the network that you want to choose. If you want to just keep it in BNB, then just select the BNB network. If you want to convert it to smart chain, which is what we would use in order to purchase other smaller tokens and coins like SAFEMOON, ElonGate, all this stuff, all these like smaller tokens and coins, this is what we need Smart Chain for. So if you directly want to convert it to Smart Chain, then just click Smart Chain here and then make sure in your Trust Wallet that you have selected Smart Chain correctly. Yeah, but I just want to buy BNB now, and then you paste in your address, you make sure BNB is selected. And for Trust Wallet, we do not need the Memo. If it says something of Memo in your Trust Wallet or in any wallet, then make sure you put it in as well. But normally for withdrawing BNB to the Trust Wallet, we do not need this. And then you can just click max. Obviously for me it's going to say 0.000 because I didn't actually buy anything now. And then yeah, you can just hit submit, and after some minutes you will find your BNB in your Trust Wallet. Yeah, this is how you buy BNB literally within minutes. I really hope you found some value in this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and yeah, subscribe to my channel because I will do lots more of these crypto tutorials in the future, and I really hope you like them. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.